Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to insert or remove a memory card. An SD card in your Galaxy A26, all versions. First, you'll need a tool like this one, which comes in the phone's box. If you don't have it, you can use one from another phone or anything similar to this tip. Here, we also need a memory card like this one, okay? And now, on the left side of the phone, we have a cover. Up here, you'll insert this tool. Here, we push until the cover pops out. And now, we remove this cover by taking it off. Now, you should put the memory card here. You can remove the entire cover, okay? And here is where you'll insert the memory card. In this position, it should go in facing down like this. Okay, so the memory card will be placed in this position, facing down. As you can see, by putting the memory card here, you'll then reinsert the memory card into your phone, okay? And to have direct access to your memory card. When you put it in the phone, you'll look for this folder, My Files. And here, inside SD card, you'll be able to access the memory card. So that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you. If I did, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.